Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn a new letter. It is the letter S. My friends, this is an uppercase S or a big S. Can you say S? Very good. This is an uppercase S or a big S. And this is a lowercase s or the small s. My friends, S says S. Can you say S? Very good, friends. S makes the S sound. S. So S is for sandwich. Sandwich. Can you say sandwich? Yes, let's clap it out. Sandwich. Excellent job, friends. S is also for socks. What color socks do you have on right now? I have on black socks. These are purple. S is for socks. Can you say socks? Excellent. S is also for stars. Stars. And S is also for sunglasses. Sunglasses. Can you say sunglasses? Let's clap it out. Sunglasses. Excellent job, friends. Now, let's see if we can write the letter S. Let's start with the uppercase S. So, my friends, the letter S starts at the top. We're going to make a slide. We're going to curve it around, then slide it down for the uppercase S. Let's try it one more time, friends. We're going to start, make it go around the top, then we're going to slide it down, then bring it around again for the uppercase S. Let's try the lowercase s. The lowercase s looks very similar to the uppercase s. It's just a smaller size. So we're going to start the lowercase s down here, and we're going to go around, slide it down, go around and back for the lowercase s. Can I see your work? Nice job, friends. So, friends, today we learned the letter S. We learned the uppercase S or the big S, and we learned the lowercase s or the small s. And we also learned that the letter S says S. Oh, I'm thinking of an animal that says that makes that sound, and it also starts with that letter. It says S. S is for snake. Yes, very good, friends. So I hope you enjoyed learning our new letter, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, friends.